Frustrated with the CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. To start our guide for CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime Base, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime Base, frequently found in localized game engines and modded launchers to house a specific wrapper for the Windows Universal C Runtime, Ucrtbase.dll. It manages the redirected memory allocation calls. If missing, the launcher will fail to launch the game with a module load failure, or 0xC007B error. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime base file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Manual intervention with CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime Base DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime Base dependencies. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing CMFP Runtime Universal C Runtime Base from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.